I need a system update. I need real English phrases. Fast.
Okay, I have the ultimate list 45 simple sentences for daily life.
Perfect. No grammar rules, just ready to use phrases for my day.
Exactly. Let's upgrade your English right now. Welcome to Easy Bites.
We are here 6 times a week, so click subscribe for daily practice.
Okay, Chloe, let's start with the basics. When I walk into the office or when I meet my friends, I never say, "Hello, how are you?"
Same here. How are you is polite, but it is a bit formal. What do you say instead?
What's up? Or how's it going? It is fast and it is friendly.
What's up is a classic. But Max, tell our listeners, how do you answer what's up? Because sometimes people get confused. They start telling their life story.
No. If someone asks what's up, they don't want to report. I usually say, not much, you? Or just chillin', you? It is quick and easy.
Exactly, not much. It means I am fine. Everything is normal. Another good one is, how's it going? I use this all the time.
Yes, and the answer is simple. Good, you? Or if you are really happy, pretty good. Notice the word pretty. It doesn't mean beautiful here. It means very. Pretty good.
That is a great tip. Pretty good makes you sound very natural. If you just say fine, it can sound a bit cold, like you don't want to talk.
Totally. And speaking of sounding natural, let's talk about gonna and wanna. I use these all the time now. I'm gonna go to the gym. I wanna eat pizza.
Some textbooks say this is lazy English, but it is not lazy. It is efficient. It is how native speakers flow. If you say, I am going to go to the gym, it sounds a bit heavy.
It sounds like I am reading a speech. I'm gonna is smooth. It connects the words. Listen to the difference. I am going to grab a coffee versus I'm gonna grab a coffee. The second one has rhythm.
Rhythm is key. And another phrase for I'm gonna is I'm heading to, like I'm heading to work or I'm heading home. It sounds dynamic, like you are a person with a plan.
I'm heading out. I love that one. It sounds professional. All right, guys, I'm heading out. It means I am leaving, but with style.
You always want style, Max. Okay, what about when you make plans? Let's say I invite you to a party. How do you say yes without saying yes?
Oh, I have a favorite for this. I'm down. Simple. Chloe, do you want to see a movie? I'm down. It means I am interested.
I'm down is very cool, very casual. Or you can say, sounds good. That is my go-to. Let's meet at 8. Sounds good.
Sounds good is safe, but if you want to be enthusiastic, you say, I'm in. Short and strong. Who wants ice cream? I'm in.
Okay, but what if you cannot go? What if you are busy? You don't want to say, no, I can't. That is rude.
True, a gentleman never says just no. I use, I wish I could, but I have to work. It shows I care.
That is nice. It is gentle. Another great phrase is, I'll take a rain check. Do you use that one?
All the time, especially when I am tired. I'll take a rain check means not today, but let's do it another time. It keeps the door open. It is a very useful social tool.
It really is. It saves relationships. Okay, Max, let's talk about opinions. When you are discussing something, like a movie or a restaurant, how do you agree with someone?
If I agree 100%, I say totally. One word. This burger is amazing. Totally. It is stronger than yes.
Totally is great. I also like for sure. It is confident. Are you coming tomorrow? For sure.
And if you are not sure, if you are in the middle, I say kind of. Did you like the movie? Kind of. It means a little bit, but not completely.
Kind of is a lifesaver. It is honest but polite. You can also use it depends. That is a smart answer. Do you like spicy food? It depends.
Exactly. Context matters. Now, Chloe, I have a phrase that I think confuses people, but it is super common. No worries.
Oh, yes, no worries. It is the Australian cousin of you're welcome, but Americans use it constantly now.
I use it when someone apologizes. If someone bumps into me or is late, I'm sorry I'm late. No worries. It means it is not a problem. Don't stress.
It is very relaxed. It creates a good atmosphere, similar to my bad. Do you use my bad?
Yes, when I make a small mistake, like I forgot to send an email. Oh, my bad. I'll do it now. It owns the mistake without making it a tragedy. It is not, I beg for forgiveness. It is just, oops, my mistake.
My bad is very confident. It shows you are not afraid to admit a small error. Okay, Max, let's change the topic. Let's talk about money. Shopping.
Oh, shopping. This is where you can feel very lost if you don't know the phrases. I remember one time I was in a shop, just looking around.
And the assistant came to you? Can I help you?
Exactly. And I panicked. I didn't want help. I just wanted to look. Now I know the phrase. I say, I'm just browsing, thanks.
I'm just browsing. Perfect. It means leave me alone, but in a nice way.
Yes. And when I find something I like, I don't say I want to buy this. I say I'll take it.
I'll take it. Short, direct. And when you go to pay, do you ask, how much is it?
Sometimes, but usually I just ask, do you take cards or do you take Apple Pay? Because I never have cash.
Me neither. Cash is so 2010. And sometimes you go out for coffee with a friend. How do you say that you want to pay for them?
Ah, this is a power move. I say it's on me.
It's on me. I love hearing that phrase. It means I am paying for everything.
Or, my treat is very polite. Put your wallet away, Chloe. It's on me.
You are such a gentleman, Max. But sometimes we want to pay separately. What do we say then?
We say, let's split it. Or, can we get separate checks?
Separate checks. Very important in restaurants. Waiters in the US are used to it.
Another thing about shopping, returns. Sometimes I buy a shirt and I get home and I hate it. I take it back to the store.
And what do you say?
I say, I'd like to return this. Simple. But sometimes they ask, do you have the receipt?
Always keep the receipt, Max.
I try, but sometimes I lose it. Then I ask, can I get store credit? It means I don't get money back, but I can buy something else in the shop.
That is a very useful phrase. Store credit. It saves the situation.
Okay, Chloe, one more scenario. The phone. Talking on the phone in a second language is hard. You cannot see the person's face.
It is the hardest level, the final boss of English.
Totally. So when I answer the phone and I don't know the number, I just say, hello. But if I call someone and I want to speak to, let's say, Mike, I say, is Mike there?
Is Mike there? Very natural. You don't say, I want to speak with Mike. That sounds like the police.
Exactly. And if Mike is busy, they might say, can I take a message?
Or they might say, hang on a sec. Do you know hang on?
Yes, hang on means wait. Hang on, let me get a pen. It is very common.
And what if the connection is bad? You're in an elevator or the signal is weak.
I say you're breaking up, it means the voice is cutting out. Sorry, you're breaking up. Can you repeat that?
You're breaking up. Good one. And if the call drops completely?
Then I call back and say, sorry, we got cut off.
We got cut off, not the phone stopped working.
Right, we got cut off. It is passive. It blames the technology, not the person.
And finally, texting. Do you use short words?
Oh, constantly. OMW, on my way. I type that every day. I'm OMW.
Or TBH, to be honest. TBH, I'm tired.
And IDK, I don't know, is faster than thinking, where do you want to eat? IDK.
Texting is a whole different language, but let's focus on speaking for now. Max, let's talk about ending a conversation. You are leaving the office or the party. What do you say?
I never say goodbye. It sounds like I am leaving forever, like I am going to Mars. I say, see ya, or catch you later.
Catch you later is classic. It implies you will speak again soon. It is friendly.
Or just take care. Take care is nice because it is warm. You wish them well. All right, take care.
I use have a good one. Have you heard that?
Have a good one. Yes, it is universal. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good weekend. Just have a good one. It works for everything.
It is the ultimate tool for goodbyes. Useful in every situation. Max, listening to you today, I hear a lot of confidence. You really mastered these phrases.
Thanks, Chloe. I think the key is to listen. I listen to people on the street, in movies, in podcasts, and I copy the melody.
Shadowing. That is the technique. You don't just learn the word with your eyes, you learn it with your mouth. Your muscles need to remember the shape of the phrase.
Exactly. Like, I gotta run. When I say I gotta run, I feel busy and important, even if I am just going to buy milk.
I gotta run is a power phrase. It means I have things to do. People respect that.
So, to recap for our listeners, we have greetings, what's up, how's it going? We have answers, not much, pretty good.
We have plans. I'm down. Sounds good. Rain check. And opinions. Totally. Kind of.
We have shopping, I'm just browsing, it's on me. And phone calls, hang on, you're breaking up.
That is a solid list. If you use these phrases, you will sound more natural instantly. You will sound like a friend, not a student.
And that is the goal, to connect, to be part of the conversation. Don't be afraid to use slang. It adds flavor to your English.
Absolutely, but remember, use it in the right context. Don't say, "What's up?" to the police officer.
Good point. Maybe stick to good morning, officer, for that one. But for friends, what's up is king.
Max, this was a great chat. I feel like we gave them a real survival kit for daily life.
I think so too. And hey, listeners, we want to hear from you. Which phrase is your favorite? Which one do you want to try today?
Leave a comment below. We read all of them. And practice. Say, "I'm gonna" in the shower. Say, "No worries" to your cat.
I'm down to your breakfast. Just use your voice.
Thank you for listening. You are doing great work on your English. Keep it up.
We believe in you. Seriously. You got this. See ya.